from the other side. It's me, Farheen. What's up, everyone? So, today I'm back with another makeup challenge, and the tool that I'm gonna be using today is none other than this Qtip. Today's video is gonna be a real challenge for me because I have no idea how I'm gonna do my makeup with this small thing in my hand. But you know what? Deep in my heart, I know I can do this. I believe in myself, and I'm gonna prove it to you guys. Okay, so enough of the motivation. Let's move on with today's challenge. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes with the concealer and did my brows. Now I'm picking the brown shade and I'm just going to create a guideline towards the end point of my eyebrows. Okay, now I'm going to take the black shade to give the outer V more definition, and I'm going to repeat the same process that I did with the brown shade, but there's a teeny tiny difference this time, and that is I'm not going to blend the black shade outside of my eyelids. taking the golden shade for the inner half of my eyelids. This is the finished look. Not bad. I would rate this look 8 out of 10, maybe. I don't know. Let's hear it from you guys. What do you think about this look? What would you rate out of 10? Come on guys, hurry up, type it in, hurry up. So this is it for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed my video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Bye.